So I'm gonna go in with the Milk Makeup Flex Foundation Stick. This is in the color light medium. And you're just gonna wanna put this all over your face. I don't know what I'm doing because I don't have a mirror, so I'm gonna go grab one. So to blend all of this out, I'm gonna use my Sigma tapered kabuki brush. I miss making video, like, I love how I always have these like bursts of like energy to make videos. Then when I like have to set all of the lights up and like just like do everything, I'm like, do I want to film? So I'm done with the foundation. I'm gonna go in with the concealer from MAC Cosmetics. These are their 24-hour Studio Fix concealers. So this is a concealer that is like closest to my skin tone. So I kind of just apply the lighter color where I want to highlight my face. And then with my contour color, I'm just gonna put a little bit here. A little bit under my nose, on the side of my nose. I was watching my old videos and I was like sad that I don't, like, I just like stop. So I'll film and then I'll stop, I'll film and then I'll stop. And I'll have these like long periods of just like not posting anything. And then I feel bad because you guys like to watch my videos and I'm over here just, you know, thinking that maybe you guys don't want to watch them. That's why I like stop. So I just grabbed my camera, grabbed my lights. I was like, we're gonna film. I'm not gonna make any excuses, and here I am. I'm really gonna try and stick with it because I do have a few ideas, especially right now since like we're going through this whole like crazy quarantine thing. I know, at least for me, since this whole thing has like happened, I like am trying to watch new people because honestly I'm just like being 100% with you guys. Like it gets really boring seeing like the same people do kind of like the same things. So I was like, you know what, let me just peep in for a sec. I've been growing my hair out so much, you guys, so now I don't even have to put makeup there. Now we're gonna move on to powder. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills vanilla powder. I'm just gonna set where I want to brighten up. So I pack the powder on my nose because I am an oily boy and I get oily so quick and I hate that. And this will just, it's like my oil insurance. Also, it is so funny. So many people ask if I got a perm for my curls and I'm just like, no honey, these are all real. Filming in front of lights gets you so hot. I needed like something to just... For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Becky G X ColourPop bronzer. I just like to add a little bit of color so we don't look like Casper. So something I'm really big on is contouring my nose because I was born with a big schnoz. I'm gonna be using the Sigma Edge Precision P87 brush. These brush names are getting more and more complicated. Honestly, they are all starting to sound like some Star Wars codes. Speaking of Star Wars, I've never seen a single Star Wars movie. I feel like I get judged so much for that. I've never seen a Star Wars movie. I've never seen a Harry Potter movie. I know I just crushed a lot of people's hearts with that one because Harry Potter fans are like crazy, yo. I remember telling one of my friends I've never seen a Harry Potter movie and she like freaked out. They're so protective over there. They're wizards. It's like so satisfying watching people bake their faces. Like, it's my favorite thing to watch. I'm curious, who do you guys love to watch on YouTube right now? I really love to watch James Mansfield and his like wig transformations. Like, they're so entertaining to me. And I love how consistent he is with his videos. Like, this is like what put it in perspective for me because I remember watching his like wig transformations and stuff, and when he wouldn't post for like a couple days, I was like, why is he not posting? What's going on? I need more wig transformations. And then I was like, oh my god, I literally haven't posted in like 10 months and I'm over here complaining that somebody hasn't posted in 2 days. And like, those are full-on wig transformations. Like, so for the blush, I go in with the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. It looks like this, super pretty. I go into feeling myself and positivity. I'm using the Milk Makeup Sephora collab brush. This is the what is this, setting powder brush, but I use it for my blush. So I'm just gonna dip into it a little bit. I don't want to like overdo it, but I want people to know I'm like blushing, you know. Are you guys watching Drag Race, by the way? I'm like so hyped because who I would consider one of my best friends, Gigi, made it onto the season and she's doing so good. I'm like so proud of her. I just haven't seen her in a while because she lived out in LA and I live literally in the outskirts of like nowhere. So it was always really hard for me to see like my really good friends that live out there. So lately I've been using the MAC Eyebrow Big Boost Fiber Gel. I love this stuff so much. So all I'm gonna do, what is even happening? I've been watching a lot of Mr. Nightmare's videos, which he kind of just talks about like scary stories that are like allegedly true and stuff like that. I don't know why, I love to freak myself out, and like especially at night I will be laying there fully ready for bed and I'm like, oh, what could like creep me out at 2 in the morning? So now you just want to wipe off your powder. So now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter. So to brighten up my face a little bit more, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. So right now I'm using the Kat Von D Beauty Tattoo Liner in Mad Max Brown. Take off your powder. So now we're going to move on to the highlight. This is the Ars Couture highlight in Cocoa Bling. So where are you guys from? I feel like I never really ask on my YouTube. I'll ask like on my Instagram, but never on my YouTube. I'm curious because I know you guys are from like all around the world. I'm using the Tatcha Kissu lip mask. On top of the lip mask, I use the Becky G ColourPop Cherry Gloss just for some color. So I'm just gonna give my lashes a curl and then I'll add some mascara. Today we're gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Brag Mascara. So that concludes my makeup tutorial. I just wanted to do something like simple. This is literally what I would do like on an everyday basis. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something. Didn't want to waste your time, wanted to jump right into it, and I miss being on here. So you guys let me know which look you want to see next. I miss YouTube, I missed you guys, and I hope you guys like the look. Also, let me know where you guys are from because I'm like genuinely really curious. So follow me on all my platforms. I'll list them down here somewhere, and I love you guys so much, more than you guys will ever know. I'll see you guys next time.